Those of you who don't know Rodney, you're going to meet him in a few minutes. He was like, he just walks into a room and you laugh. I'll tell you. You know, nobody was more funnier than this guy. So after years and years and years of bringing in the boom box, you know, that kind of wasn't working no more. Cassettes were out of style. Then I bought the phone. We got the phone. We got YouTube. We got everything, Rodney, anything. So I used that. And then I just said, you know, no more Rodney. But then Andy Mays, a couple of the boys said, Rick, man, you got to do Rodney. What did you do Rodney? Come on. So I'm like, come on, Rodney. So what I did is I started to do a few Rodney jokes. And I got to do it, otherwise I'm not going to be able to leave here alive.
Yeah, pretty much.
So I stayed up to 2 o'clock last night, listening to, you know, doing all the finale, all this stuff. And I started listening to Rodney on my phone, and I wrote down, you know, my funniest jokes. So I'm gonna roll here a little bit and tell you a few Rodney jokes. Now they bomb, but I think they're pretty good.
You gotta do it in his voice, though.
I'll tell you. I know, man. I got you. All right.
Do it in his voice.
This is insane. All right. So here we go. What a crowd! I'll tell you. I'm ready for Anna Marie. Now, Anna Marie, I think it's time to put the earplugs in. Okay. My wife, I'll tell you, my wife. You know my wife? My wife's terrible. She's the worst cook in the house. In our house, we pray after we eat. I like that joke. Terrible cook. The other day, she served alphabet soup. My kid wrote out help. My dog, he won't even eat the leftovers. He's the only dog I know that begs for Alka-Seltzer. My kids, man, I got the worst kids. I got a boy in college. He's majoring in fucking up. I only wish his room was as clean as his weed. She's into it.
Tell your mother.
But I gotta stay in shape. Look at me. I gotta stay in. I'll tell you, it's tough. I got a bad appetite. When I eat at McDonald's, I stand outside and I watch the sign change. Over 1,000 served, you know? All right, I'll tell you. You know my doctor, Dr. Vinny Boombox.
Oh, Vinny!
My doctor. I told him I'm not feeling good. He told me to drink get plenty of liquids and get some rest. So I drank till I passed out. I drank so much last night. I thought I'm a bad drinker. I was a bad drinker. I drank such not together true. I drank so much last night, a mosquito bit me and flew into a wall. Oh man, I'll tell you. Not a girl the other day. I met a girl the other day. She was so nice. We talked. We were rolling. She said, Rodney, why don't you come over? There's nobody home. I said, ooh. So I went over. There was nobody home. I'll tell you. I'm old now. I'm getting old. Getting old, man. I got all these Viagra pills. You know, I said, you know what? I'm not using these no more. I'm too old. It's done. So I throw them down the toilet. Now I can't get the, I got the plastic down the toilet. Now the lid won't stay down.
Rodney Dangerfield had Viagra jokes?
Yes. That was from Jay Leno when he was old. When he was old, man. I found some new ones I never saw last night with Jay Leno. Oh, man.
Wow.
All right, I don't know how long we can do this here. And I know I'm ugly. You know, I've gotten old, I'm ugly. I stuck my head out the window the other day. I got arrested for mooning. The other day, a kid tried to pull my face off. Halloween. Let's see. And Halloween, another one on Halloween. I told my old man he was a pain in my ass. He told me to put jockey shorts on my head and go out as an ass. All right, hold on. I got some good ones here. This pressure is like a heaviness. And I'll tell you, in the heaviness, I wake up and the heaviness is waiting for me. And it says, Rodney, you're going to get it good today. You'll be drinking early today. And I don't want to drink because I'm a bad drinker. The next day, I got to do two things. I gotta locate my car, and I gotta bring back the car I took. You know you're drunk when you take a leak and your fly isn't open. I remember and drugs, I'll tell you, drugs. Remember the first time I smoked weed? I got so hungry, I smoked a half a joint, I ate the other half. My dog, he drives me nuts. His favorite bone is in my arm. Yeah, we named him Egypt. Every room he leaves a pyramid. Dumb dog. He's a dumb dog. Every night he got a love affair with my leg. I tell you, I came home loaded the other night. I was looking for his leg. Oh man! All right, I'm gonna wind this down here. My wife. I got no sex life. My wife. She cut me down to once a month. I'm lucky though. I know 2 guys she cut out completely. You know, I'm not put on this weight. I put on all this weight. This morning I put on all this weight. I put on all this weight. I tell you. I gotta get going there.
You gotta read it.
I gotta read it. I gotta get to the punchline here. You know, I put on all this weight. I put on all this weight. This morning I put on my underwear. I could hear the Fruit of the Loom guys giggling. The other day I went to the credit union. I had to go to the bathroom so bad. I said, honey, could I use your bathroom? She goes, you got to work here. I'm sorry. I had to go so bad I applied for a job. I gotta lose weight. I'm getting fat. The other days I got my shoes shined. I had to take the guy's word for it. Oh, I get no luck. I'll tell you, I went to the track the other day. I know it's time. One more.
Abraham Lincoln.
I went to the track the other day. I got no luck there either. They shot off the opening gun. They killed my horse. All right, I got 2 more pages for next year.
Good.
All right. Thank you, man. That was funny. I love Rodney. He could only Rodney could.